When you have a hearing test, part of it is pressing a button when you hear a beep, and that part measures the softest sound that you can detect at each pitch or frequency. It tells us how sensitive your hearing is, but detecting a beep and understanding a word are not the same thing. You can hear that someone is speaking and still not make out what they're saying, and this is why we don't stop at the beeps. We also play you speech, words, or sentences and ask you to repeat them back. Because the question we really care about isn't only can you hear the sound, it's can you make sense of it. We can have two people with almost identical hearing tests as of responding to the beeps, but they understand speech very differently, and the beeps alone would never tell us that. So if part of your test involved repeating words, that wasn't an add-on. It was measuring the thing that actually matters day to day, whether the sound you detect becomes language you understand.